Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid activist and the country's first black president. Born on July 18, 1918, in the village of Mvezo in South Africa's Cape Province, he was a descendant of the royal Thembu family. He studied law at the University of Fort Hare and the University of Witwatersrand, where he was the only black student. He regularly experienced racism there, and because of his experiences, he joined the African National Congress in 1944. The ANC was known for being an anti-colonialist political party that fought to bring equal rights to the black population. However, the Nationalist Party rose to power in 1948, and its all-white government passed legislation for the system of apartheid. The apartheid institutionalized racism by enforcing various laws of racial segregation. One example was the Mixed Marriages Act, which prohibited marriage between people of different races. Starting in 1952, Mandela and the ANC began a series of peaceful protests, but the Nationalist Party cracked down and shut them down using force. Mandela became convinced that the only way to end apartheid was through targeted attacks of sabotage against the government and its military. But in August of 1962, he was captured and thrown into prison at Robben Island to serve a life sentence. There, he still carried out the work of activism through smaller demonstrations against the prison's inhumane conditions. The international community gradually began calling for Mandela's freedom until South Africa's government finally gave in to the pressure, and in 1990, after 27 years, he was released. South Africa held its first open elections in 1994, and the African National Congress, led by Mandela, won with an overwhelming number of votes. Not only did Mandela's presidency bring many supportive social services to all of South African people, but he also unified a country that was divided by racial segregation. One way he accomplished this was through the sport of rugby, that was seen by black citizens initially as a symbol of apartheid, but seen by white citizens as a symbol of patriotism. The South African team won the Rugby World Cup in 1995. He took it as an opportunity to unite the South African citizens by showing them that if they reconcile and forgive rather than hold grudges, they can work together to make South Africa a leader in the international community. After winning, the iconic celebration he had with the team captain, Francois Pinnier, became a symbolic act that represented reconciliation between black and white South Africans. Even after he died in 2013, Nelson Mandela remains an idol for peace and reconciliation in South Africa and worldwide.